Hi, this is Destiny from desphixs and welcome back to another video in the e-commerce series using Django. In this one, we'll get started working with the profile edit function. That is what we'll be doing. Hopefully you will enjoy the video and learn something new. So let's get started. Begin by opening up your code editor. I will close this up for now. And I want to open up my views user admin. And just down here, we need to set up a new view for updating the profile. So I'll call this settings and pass in requests in here. And what I pretty much want to do is say profile should be equal to profile.objects.get, where user is equal to the logged in user. Import profile from user.model. After you've done that, let's check if request.method is equal to post. Then what do we want to do? If it's equal to post, let's grab the image. Image should be equal to request.files.get, and we want to get image. Fix the post, okay, so that you don't have a problem. Request.files.get image, fix the indentation also. And we also want to get full name, phone, bio, address, and country. So instead of all these files, this one should be posts, okay? Post like this. And this one is going to be full name, right? We need the same thing over here. And we also need phone and bio. So phone, we need bio, and we need address and country, which are some fields that we don't have right now. If you want, you could go ahead and add in those fields. We don't have address and country. We could just stick with full name. Okay, let's add address and country. Then let's add these fields in the profile model. So open up the profile model, and alongside the phone, add two more for address and also for country. And you also want to add null can be true, and also blank can be true. All right, so take the null can be true and blank can be true, add it to the phone, because null can be true for phone also and blank can be true. Okay, and for the image also, null can be true, blank can be true. And I believe that's everything that we want. Go ahead and spin up your server by running python manage py, make migrations, migrate, and run server. So while those are running, over here, see, we have grabbed all those informations, right, that we want to actually update. And what we need to say now, firstly, if image is not none, which means image was actually selected, then let's update the profile image. So I'll say profile image should be equal to image. That is how to update the profile image if only an image was selected. Then let's update every other information. Profile.full name should be equal to full name. I need phone, bio, address, and country. You could do this using the shortcut trick. If you don't want to have to type all this out, you could pretty much do it this way. See, we are done. So after updating all this, then you can save the profile so the changes get saved. And if you want, you can return a success message, messages.success, pass in a request and say something like profile updated successfully. All right. And when we are done, let's return back to the settings page. So return redirect to user admin. And we want to get back to the settings page. All right. So it's like when we update, we still get back to the same page that we were on. After everything is done, then you could pass in a context for the profile. So I'll say context profile, and I also want to pass profile over there, right? And then let's return a template. Template's name will be called settings. So over here, settings HTML. Now for the templates, I already have another one called settings here. Pretty much copy this template and paste it in your user admin. If if you don't want to have to create a new name and perform other kind of other operation. So just right click and paste. Now we have settings HTML. All good, all good. Remember that you need to bring in the imports for the extents, the load, static, and the block content. So bring those in and pretty much put it here. And block should also be here. All good, all good. Now open up user auths URLs and you need to set up the settings. There you go. And also set this and this up. Now take the settings and put it in base HTML for user admin. So base user admin, look for settings, which is this one. You can copy one of this if you don't want to retype it. Just pick up one of this and put it in here and change this to settings. Okay. So after all that have been completed, you can reload this page now and click on settings and we get this nice looking page. All good. So all we need to do for that settings page is open it up firstly, and the full name needs to have a name of full name. The email needs to have a name of email. I will give this a name of email, and this should be type of text, okay? Or you could use number. That is the phone, right? So you should have a name of phone, okay? Address should have a name of address, and also country should have a name of country. Let me check out the profile model one more time. Do we have a field called phone here? Sure we do. So now we have name, country, name, address, name, phone, name, email, name, full name. That is all good. That is all good. So type text, type email, type text. It should be in a form that has a method of post and also an enc type of multi-part form data and also a CSRF token. And also you should have a button for submitting. The button should be type submit. Remember to add a name image for the image inputs, okay? Please do not forget that. And instead of showing up this over here, this dummy data here, show up the request.user.profile.image.url. And let's get back here, guys, and reload this page. This is what we have now. Let's change up all the information. We're only getting Destiny Sam. Let's prefill all the other information for every other field that we have here. So for email, instead of this value, let's say request.user.email. And for the phone, I'll take this so I don't have to retype all that out. So I'll say profile.phone. For the address, I'll say profile.address. And for the country, I will say profile.country. All good. Reload the page, and this is what we have now, right? Nothing in the address. I will say 123 Main Street, Chicago. And for country, I will say United States. Let's try saving changes to see what happens. See, profile updated successfully. Now address and country are now being saved. Even after reloading the page, they are all saved. Let me change my name back to Destiny Franks. Change my email to something like okay, I think email is static. You can actually change the email. Change your mobile number to something else. Let's select a new picture. See how that one works. So I'll select, let me select this image of mine and save changes. See, updated. All good. That is pretty much it. Everything is working perfectly well as expected for the profile update. In the next one, we'll get started working with the change password. And after that, we'll work with admin required decorator and we should be done. That is pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If there is something that you don't understand, let me know in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Also, if you want to set up a real e-commerce, send email to desphixs@gmail.com. So we'll discuss on how to get you an e-commerce platform, a professional one for your startup or your business. That is pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and learned something new. I hope to see you in the next one. And until then, mad love. Peace out.